Alright, we are at, I don't know the name of this resort. Oh, this one. I don't think this is one of the taller ones, probably around 10 floors. Oh, not even, 7. Those are nice. Gen 2s, can't complain. Older Gen 2s, I mean. The better ones, I think. Are these also Gen 2 MRs? What the hell is with Florida and putting their Gen 2s in machine rooms? I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I think it's probably, they're a lot more sturdy than, you know, just an MRL Gen 2, but it's interesting that like basically every single building on this boulevard or whatever has them like that. Makes you wonder if there's like an underlying reason.
Ground floor.
And real fast, here's the certificate. This is the Palmetto Inn and Suites. Anyway, that will be all.